Hello everyone, this is MJ. Welcome back on MCode channel. I hope you all are doing great. So friend, here we are learning about the manual testing, and as of now we have covered multiple concepts of the manual testing. So today we are going to one of the important part of the software testing, which is the defect life cycle. Okay, we can call it as a bug life cycle. Defect and bug means like whenever we are testing the application, that time if we observe any mismatch between requirement and application, that is nothing but the defect, issue or bug. Okay, so it may be caused because of a developer's mistake. It may be caused because of insufficient requirement by the client, okay, or any change requirement by the client. So that time we need to follow the defect life cycle for the logging that defect on the board, or like a Jira or any ticket management tool or any task management tool. Okay, so what is a defect life cycle, and inside that what kind of status, what kind of states we will have? See, in that we will have multiple status. Out of that, first is the new. When testers finds the bug and they return that bug on the board, that time by default status is getting new. Means that bug is just returned and that bug is still not assigned to anyone or no one can start it on it. Okay. Next is assigned. If suppose bug status is new, that bug is available on the board as in unassigned section, so our team lead will assign that defect to particular developer so developer can start working on that. So that time status is assigned. When developers start working on that defect, that time developer change status as a open. When developer fix on that particular issue, that time they can change status as fixed. After the fix, they will push that code, uh, fix the code in the QA environment. So QA can start the retesting. So that time QA can change status as a retesting. Okay, we can just verify the fixes. Whatever fixes done by the developer, is it replicated on in the our testing environment or not? And next is verified. Suppose we got that bug for the retesting, we can just retest it and we got the result. Our application meets the expected criteria. That time we can just create the evidences, attach the comment and mark that defect as a close. So these are the main defect lifecycle states. Apart from that, we'll have other states, and we'll see one real-time example as well. See, other states like rejected. Suppose we have written that bug and developer just gone through that bug, and in the scrum call, developer just go through that bug and they can read the whatever description we have given. So if that bug is not valid, that time they can just reject that bug. If that bug is already logged, suppose in our application 4 testers are working, so I have raised this defect now, but this defect is already raised by my colleague tester or any another tester in previous sprint. So that time they can mark as a duplicate, means it's already raised or already logged. Deferred means suppose we have like I have written one bug on the board and it is not that much impactful, means we can do this bug in the next sprints as well, because we have another important task as part of the release. So developer can mark as a deferred, so they can take a look in the upcoming sprint or upcoming days. Okay, next one is reopen. So friends, whenever developer fix that defect and they push that code in the QA, and we can start the retesting. See friends, during that retesting we observe like the whatever issue we have raised, it is not completely resolved. It still exit as it is in the key testing environment. So that time we can attach the retested in evidences to the bug, and we can just mark the status as a reopen, so developer can again start working on that, and again they can find the solution for that. Now we'll see the one real-time example. Friends, just take a login page of the Flipkart. Okay, inside that we have login button and that button is not working. So that time we can write that defect like login button is not working So that time we can write the defect and the status is new. When team lead is assigned any particular, that time status is assigned. When developers start working on it, that time status is open. When developer gives any fixes on it, that time status is fixed. When tester is started retesting, that time status is retested. When testers got expected result with application, they can change the status is verified with an attached document. And after that, lastly, once the all things are done, they can just change the status as a closed. So likewise, we will have the defect life cycle. Now we can see about the actual defect writing concepts. So I have written one description of the defect and how many fields we will have in the defect. Whenever we are going to write any kind of defect, we can use any defect tracking tool like Jira, Bugzilla, Bugnizer, Taskflow. These are the different tools we can use. Jira is the most common and everyone knows about the Jira. Okay, so using that Jira, we can create the tickets. In that ticket, we need to give some description. Just take this example. In the description, we need to write the defect like that. We need to follow this kind of a pattern. We can write first actual issue, expected result, steps to reproduce, and screenshots. Suppose we can write the actual issue like user name field is accepting the numeric value with an character. As per the client requirement, it should allow only alphabetic character, but actually it is accepting the numeric value. So we can write these things in the actual issue. Okay. Now next is a expected result. What exactly we can expect? So now what is the expected criteria for that particular field? As per the client requirement, that field should allow only alphabetic character. It should not allow any special or any other numeric value. If user enter any numeric or alphabetic value in the username field, then it should throw an error. So we can write that expected result. Username field should allow only character. If user enter any other text like number, special character or any other symbol, then username field should display the error message. So in the expected result, we can use the word of should, and in actual result we can just elaborate what exactly current situation or actually what exactly it's behaving. Okay, so after expected result we can write the steps to reproduce. In the steps to reproduce we need to give the complete detail the steps. Means suppose this bug is assigned with any developer, so developer can just go through the steps and easily he can navigate to that particular defect screen. Okay, so we can write that user can log into the Flipkart application, user can click on the login button, user can enter the value in username field and with a number and symbol, then check for the error message or check for the application behaviors. Here we will have screenshots and video. We can take screenshot using any snippet tool and we can attach in the bug. Okay, next is we'll have different fields like priority, status, assignees, types, module, submodule, QA, reporter, comment section, attachment. Okay, activity sections. So likewise we'll have different fields. We can just edit that fields and we can change the status. We can add the assignee. We can give the type of bug like whether it is functional bug or regression bug or any kind of UI UX related bugs. Okay, module, it is login module, sub module, username fields. Okay, QA, like I am the QA, so I will post my name. Reported, suppose another QA has reported this bug, but after the fixing that bug as assigned to me, so that time assignee is a QA and who have written this defect is the reporter. Commenter section, like once initiated bug, then we can assign that bug. The developer can add the comment in that, like whatever he made changes or whatever he has observation, that all observation they will kept in the comment section. And attachment section, like they will attach the video evidences or any screenshot, whatever things will we have, it will be stored in the attachment section. So likewise we can write the defect and we can follow the defect life cycle in every types of the testing in the software testing. So that's all about the software defect and bug life cycle. I hope you all are enjoyed this video, and please give like to this video, share this video with your friends so they will also comes from like what exactly defect life cycle. Also please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss an update from the M code. Also friends, I have created same name channel on the Telegram. So if you guys have any kind of question queries, you can just put the questions on that Telegram channel. So I will give the answers of each and every questions individually with an example. I will explain all these things again with detailed explanation there on the M Code channel. Okay, so please subscribe to that Telegram channel as well as YouTube channel, and whatever questions queries you will have, please post on that channel so you will get more information on the explain the topic. So that's it for the today's session. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video. Meanwhile, watch the videos which I have already posted on the channel. Thank you.